Well, hi there. Welcome back. It's currently winter time, which means I don't want to be spending time in my garage, or as little time as possible, doing anything woodworking. I was bullied into getting a cat for my 8-year-old daughter. I have some nice things, and I don't want those nice things to be shredded to pieces, so I'm going to make it a cat scratch post out of some sisal. How do you say that? And this big giant tube that I've had lying around for a long time. We're going to have a nice white oak base and top. I want to fill this in so that I can screw into it with wood and have that attached to the base. Same thing with the top. So what I'm going to do is cut out the interior out of the scrap with the laser, and then nice white oak top. Oh, what fun. Cool. And I'm done. Didn't even cut it. All right, cool. Off to a great start. I don't get it. Why? I don't get it. I've cut this before. No. No, I haven't. All right, 3/8. 1, 2, 3 of the eights. 3/8. Okay, so this time I'm not going to pull it out of there prematurely. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to process again because 3/8 is bigger than 2/8. Okay. Everybody can keep their pants on. Oof. It's not all the way through on some spots, but I can save it. 3/8 is bigger than 2/8. So that's a little over an inch. That'll go perfect. Circles for the interior, and then we'll get to the circles and the bases and things for the exterior. Bye. Success. Boy, we're getting real exciting now. Another thing I want to do is get like a nice big workbench in here, but not just like any old workbench, like a really cool one. That sounds so dumb. Yum. I've had the heater fired up for an hour. We're going to try to get this done. Having a joiner? That's nice. Okay, mentally I'm wondering if I should cut off the last rough edge on the bandsaw since it's right here and it's easy. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. That way I don't have to get the table saw out. Oh my, why is this wider? Uh-oh, oops-a-daisy, what's happening? Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. This piece is wider than this piece. Bandsaw be damned! Lame is the butt that cut that piece of wood wrong. Oh, that's me. I'm not even gonna fix it. Just gonna be like that. The base, the top. circles. How does one decide to use this new contraption? Ooh, I don't like the marking on this after all. It's actually slightly dumb. I thought this would be cool. Somebody on YouTube recommended it. Yeah, okay, all right. Fire in the hole. Allegedly. No. But now this thing comes in handy. Let's mark it here, bring it up there. Mark it here. Up we go. Now, allegedly, I know what I'm doing. Right in the face. I just moved the camera, talked a whole bunch, did a whole bunch of work, never even hit record. Okay, this time I'm gonna hit the record button. Hi, here we are. I'm honestly a little surprised at how I left the biscuits upstairs. So good, it's going so good. Someday you'll get your shit together. Quite a ways away from fine woodworking, that's for sure. But gosh dang it, it came together. Look at that. That biscuit joiner is nice. You can barely feel. And I have a little bit of confidence in it. The top, upside down, will fit into the tube, the base, drying. Could be worse, could be much worse. Center, allegedly 15 1/4. Not going to be 15 1/4. 15 1/8. Also could have been a lot worse. I can get a router over this with this here. Ooh, it's a lot. 3, 2, 1, contact. Send it home. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's not how routers work. Yes, yes, yes. So, if you need evidence as to why I'm an idiot, I just gave you some. God, I'm such a piece of garbage. Jim, that's an awful nice thing you just built there. Say, is that visible bug damage? Yes, it is. I was just saying it some more. I'm publishing this. I'm publishing this stupid video. Look at how terrible that looks. That's so idiotic that I just didn't notice. I thought that was sapwood. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. Okay, we're going to try E6000. Been informed by sources that it can glue anything. Oop, oh, dripping already. Oh boy. God, look, nobody's watching this is going to take me seriously. Glues and screws? It's not even touching. What was even the point of the glue? I don't believe in you sometimes. Why'd you measure if it's gonna... Oh, it already seems like it's fine. I believe in you. Okay, so I'm gonna screw this on. I'm gonna get the rope started with some glue with the E6000 and let it dry. There's gonna be a gap apologies ahead of time, but my daughter, she really wants to help with this project, so I'm going to wrap the thing up with my daughter, and then I'll come back at the end and we'll kind of like glue it up, finish it, and get like a reveal shot, because I'm a dad. Okay, and then we're gonna see if we can't get a cat to... Brief update on how it's going. 50 feet of this rope can only go 19 inches. 20 inches around a 4-foot pipe. Cool. Put everything back together. The E6000 has an okay working time, so I was able to get it apart. There's one screw with a black washer. I have another screw with a black washer. We're going to finish it off like that. Nice. Okay. Not bad. Now we got to put it in place and see if we can get the cat to scratch on it. Get out of that plant. Out of the plant. Don't play in the plant, please. Oh my god. It's been a couple of days. She does not get it. So this was my second time using white oak. I really like it. I really like the way it looks, the grain, the lights and darks. And that's really fortunate, because if you hadn't seen a previous video, I impulse bought like 1,500 board feet. Get out of there! Stay out of my plants. I shouldn't not get plants because I'm forced into having a cat for my daughter. That jade plant was a gift to me. That's supposed to be around after both of us are gone. Whatever. I'm gonna keep doing projects. I was gonna talk about it, but I'm out of here. Come on in. Destroy my home.